So I put in Sóller this morning in my sat nav, and it took us through Inca, and I thought, which is a bit strange, and we're heading towards Lluc. Anyway, it was taking us to a Sóller that wasn't actually Sóller. So, but anyway, it's brought us here. So let's enjoy the views. Look at that. My God. There's a little shop across the road. How cute's that?
Quindi mi potevi direttamente dire che non c'era? Se vuoi tu? Cioccolato.
So we've just pulled in there, and you walk up here, and obviously there's the views there, incredible. But then we've just noticed this cafe here, but above it is a couple of chairs and tables where you can actually have a drink. So if you're driving this way, we're going to stop and have a little cold drink in here. How cool. They even sell some fruit and a few different bits and bobs. How cool is that? So there's your shop, and here's some stairs. So I noticed this above the shop and I thought, wow, that looks too good to be true. And if you've got views that are this sensational, why not enjoy it? Eh? Look at that. Oh my God. Mallorca, you never fail to impress me. How cool. It's got really, really busy. Everyone's come to view the family up on the hill. Oh, look at that. So many people coming now. Oh my God, there was nobody there now. It's absolutely rammed. Must be a really popular place to stop and take photographs for obvious reasons. Just past the sign for Sa Calobra, which I've always wondered where Sa Calobra was, and now we've seen this. It's obviously some sort of reservoir right in the middle of the mountains. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if it tells you the name. No swimming. It's called Imea. Banya no swimming. Yeah. A few people have put their little stickers on there. I've been. Obviously, people come to have a little bite to eat. How beautiful is that? So yeah, even though it took us the wrong way today and it was taking us to a completely different Sóller that wasn't the Sóller in question, it's actually brought us to some very interesting places. I don't know what the relevance of this rock formation is, but I'll be sure to try and find out what it is and why it's so important. Yeah, there's quite a few cars pulling in here. Absolutely stunning. And there's some sort of buildings over the other side there, so I wonder who lives there, if anybody lives there, whether it's something to do with the reservoir. Absolutely beautiful to see water like this up in the mountains. It's gorgeous. Parque Natural de la Serra de Tramuntana. It tells you about certain types of birds, eagles. It's telling you not to do rock climbing. Oh no, you can do rock climbing, but just don't light any fires. And there's a walk up there. Takes you, one's 10.1 kilometers, takes you 4 hours, and one's 2 hours and 5 minutes, 5.3 kilometers. So it just said there was something to see here, Mirador, so we'll have a look. There's a cafe restaurant there, but it doesn't look open, which is a shame because it looks like it would be beautiful if it was. Mirador de Ses Barques Restaurant Typique. So it's shut at the minute, maybe it opens later on. We'll go and see what's worth seeing. Let's see what's worth seeing up here then. Oh God, yeah. Wow, so there's the port down there. Port Sóller. Look at the view. It's incredible. I think. This looks like a really nice restaurant with a lovely view of Port de Sóller. decided not to go into the town today. We've come to a car park, which is a 10-minute walk to, it's cost us $6.70 to take us to 20 past 4. Wow, there's leaves all over the floor like it's an autumn day. That's because it's very breezy today, but it's a beautiful breeze. So this is Sóller. Beautiful Sóller. Modernist. Organic restaurant here and shop that has a live music on the 17th of July, which is my birthday. Interesting. Might be worth a look if you're up this neck of the woods. It's a new place. It's very cool. Heading towards the plaza, the centre. We've just seen a tram go by. We're in the right place. Beautiful is that. The thing is, if people don't get off, you'll not be able to get on. This is where you get the tram from, and it's every man for himself. You were just sitting there a moment ago. Oh, Mia's happy she's found her favourite shop. As soon as you get off, There you go. So yeah. Well, here we are down Port de Sóller. Beautiful place, isn't it? Surrounded by the mountains of Sóller. Restaurant Mauricio. It's absolutely boiling today. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please subscribe if you haven't already, and like and follow for more Mallorca content like this. Mallorca Life, Paul. Hope you're enjoying it. I'm getting burnt alive. Woo. All right, take two. Beautiful, stunning Port de Sóller. Over there is a couple of nice marina yacht clubs. I did a wedding there last year. It was beautiful on the roof. And there's gorgeous mountains of Sóller that we've been driving down the north of the island today to get here. It's beautiful. Shall we see what's down here? Wow. Get out of here. No way. Darling, look at this. Bonnie Last Charters. Amazing. Hey, they're Scottish and Newcastle, I think, Geordie. Can we get down there? Of course we can. So, Bonnie Last Charters. Don't know if that one's still going or whether it's an old boat. Likes this tree. It's silver. I don't think it's real. I can't touch it. I'm trying to touch it. Can't touch it. Wow. The water's a bit murky, but we'll let it off because the tree's nice. So this is the bar we went to. It's really good. You just come off the seafront and walk up. There's a few shops, a few cafes, touristy shops, and then at least it's a bar, you know, if you just want to drink and you don't want to have a meal. It's really handy. So we've had a lovely time in Port de Sóller. We've opted not to go for a swim today. We're gonna look for the bus stop. Apparently the bus stop is todo recto, straight on. And yeah, see if we can get a bus back up to the square, which is way cheaper and way quicker apparently. So let's check that out. So ChatGPT told me that the bus came down the seafront marina in Port Sóller, but it doesn't. So the bus stop is here. We're currently waiting for it. And I think we just missed the 2 one, so we're going to wait for the 3 one because, yeah, it's going to be a hot walk. It's an hour's walk up to Sóller. So we're going to wait here for the 204, which apparently takes you straight to Sóller Centre.